In today's video, we are going to show you how to blur in the Sketchbook app. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is open Sketchbook, create a new canvas, and then go to the Layers panel and make sure you select the correct layer you want to blur. If you can't find the layer editor, all I have to do is go to the Windows. You want to make sure that the layer editor is checked so that the panel will appear on the right side. So I'm gonna blur this image, and you want to make sure that that specific layer is selected right here. And then I want you to select a brush, which can be found on the Windows. Go to the brush library. It will open a lot of options here. Essentially, Sketchbook doesn't have a blur dedicated tool, okay? But instead, you can use a brush similarly that offers the blur effect. For example, this one. I want you to double click that so you have more control on the size and the strength. If you don't want it too much, you can lower the amount and click the OK button. So I have the blur effect here. For example, I'm just gonna blur a little bit of the pink thunder. You see that? It's getting blurred, right? So at this point, it's up to you. If you want to increase the strength, you can do that. For example, here, as you may notice, the image has been blurred. Now remember, always double check you are on the right layer so you don't accidentally, right here, blur something important, okay? And once you're happy, apply it and confirm the effect. And basically, that's it for today's video on how to blur on Sketchbook app. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.